Hey y'all, it's your girl K2RY. It's gonna be a short, cute, simple video, but I just want to tell y'all the reason why I haven't been posting is because me and my family are moving into a new house, and that's where I am right now. I'm sitting on the steps. So yeah, I want to give y'all a quick little mini house tour. And we're not yet moved in. We're still unpacking. This is the first day of us like actually being in the house. So let me give y'all a tour. We are cleaning up the house. You know, when you're moving, you gotta always clean your house. So we're cleaning up the house. I just want to start from outside and work my way in. We didn't decorate yet, so bear with us. Hey y'all, so this is the front yard. All this is going to be plants inside. This is the front yard. This is our house. As y'all can see, the house doesn't have color because it needs to get painted. It will be painted next week. So I'll show y'all, I'll give y'all an update, but I wanted to show y'all right now. We got some land over here. My mom was even thinking about farming in it all over here. You see, it's enough space to grow some raised beds. And then we have the garage. When you get to the garage, you have the front porch. The porch is pretty big too. It's better in person, guys. And it's very cloudy out today. It's not sunny, so you can't really see that well. But this is the porch. We already added some plants to it. Another angle of the porch. Porch set out here, chair and a table. It's really nice. So when you walk in, you automatically reach the living room. This is the living room, guys. Really nice and cute. Got a ceiling fan and the air conditioner. This is the living room, y'all. Another angle. Air conditioner. So cute. Here's another angle. Let me turn the light on. Another angle with the light on. So once you leave the living room, you're going to be walking into a small little hall area. This is right before you enter the kitchen. Let's go into the kitchen, guys. So this is the kitchen, everyone. Let me turn the light on for y'all. This is the kitchen. It's really, really nice. It has so much cabinet space. Like, get into it. This area is where we're gonna put our stove. We don't have a stove or a refrigerator yet. Once you leave the kitchen, you're going to enter the pantry. This is the pantry, guys. It's a big pantry. You got shelves. And my favorite thing about the kitchen is the cabinet space. It's so much cabinet space. Like, I love that. And these cabinets, they go up on their own. Yeah, so. Walking out the kitchen and we're proceeding to the bedroom. This is the first bedroom. It's on the first floor. This is the bedroom, guys. The cabinets was open because we just came in here to wipe all of them down. Yeah, but this is the first bedroom. Wardrobe. They're all different. They're all different, you see. Then you have drawers at the bottom. And you also have little closets at the top as well for your things. Ceiling fan, of course. We're getting air conditioners installed. And now we're proceeding to walk to the bathroom. Hey guys. The bathroom. It has a shower head, toilet, of course, and sink with the mirror. A place place to hang your towels and stuff. Let me turn on the light. I don't even know why I'm doing this in the dark. This is what the bathroom looks like with the light on. As we leave the bedroom, we're walking into the guest bathroom. Let me turn on the light. Yeah, the guest bathroom, simple sink, toilet. So this is where our guests will go if they need to use the restroom. And then when you turn to your right, it's the garage. All of our stuff is here. But yeah, this is the garage I showed y'all at the beginning. Pretty big space. And then here is some extra space here. Right here are the stairs. Now let's go upstairs, guys. Alright guys, like I said, excuse the mess. We're cleaning. But this is the hall as soon as you come upstairs. I don't know what to call this, the upstairs hall. Here's the upstairs hall, guys. The fan has to get installed, of course, but another angle of the hall. And as y'all can see, this door here, this door leads to the balcony. We got a balcony, guys. Y'all, it's so nice. Look at my mom, she's so happy. View from the balcony. See everything. Guys, let's go back inside. I'll show y'all the rest of the rooms. We're entering the second bedroom. All the rooms literally look the same. Not gonna lie, they all look the same. They're pretty much all the same size as well. The fan is on. But yeah, all the storage places are the same. The layout is technically the same, so it's not really much to show here. And then the bathroom layout is also the same. Let me just turn on the lights. I think this one is a little bit different, maybe a little bit bigger than the one downstairs, but hey y'all, I'm back. Toilet, shower head, sink, me. Let's go. You leave this room, there's a room directly across from it, and I think this is the master bedroom. I love the light this room gets. It's so light and bright in here. So yeah, this is the master bedroom, I believe. Like I said, the layout is the same. Storage spaces. Now we're gonna go into the bathroom. The bathroom is also bigger, but the layout is the same. You got the toilet, shower, sink, me, of course. We're heading to the fourth bedroom, but this is what it looks like. This bedroom is the smallest one, and it doesn't have the wardrobes that the other rooms have. The bathroom is also smaller here too. View of the room, it's dry now, so let's go to the bathroom. Yep, it's just a toilet and a sink in here. Nothing too extra, very simple. But from this room, you have access to the backyard. Alright y'all, so we're on the second floor. So now we're at the backyard, guys. The backyard has a little balcony as well. Y'all want to see the view? Here is the view from the backyard. View from the upstairs. Let's continue, guys. So now you walk downstairs. Period poo. And this is the kitchen. This is the downstairs balcony in the backyard. Very, very nice. And this is the backyard. Backyard, guys. This is our water tank. Sorry. Back at the front. And that was a full house tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it.